This is an enterprise which has developed into one with annual production value of 50 billion yuan from nothing in just 20-odd years. This is an enterprise which has created jobs for over 20,000 people and promoted the local economic boom. This is an improving and pioneering enterprise which has created infinite development space. Adjoining the revolutionary Holy Land and carrying forward the great Shibaipo spirit, it has laid an extraordinary road of developments with wisdom and perspiration. This is Hebei Jingye Group. In 1988, the then state cadre Li Ganpo resigned from the government and started from scratch to found Pingshan Chemical Factory, with a dream of benefiting the local people. After over 20 years of development, Jingye Group has started from scratch and grown stronger. Now it has become a group company which focuses on the steel and iron industry and also engages in further steel processing, real estate, finance, trade, pharmaceutical, hotels, and tourism. With 22,500 employees and a total asset of 27.2 billion yuan. In 2016, with the sale revenue of 58.6 billion yuan and the profit and tax of 1.6 billion yuan, it ranked 234th among the top 500 enterprises in China and first among the top 100 enterprises in Shijiazhuang for 8 consecutive years. The president, Li Ganpo, once was a deputy to the 11th National People's Congress and was received by Li Keqiang, then premier of the State Council. The development of Jingye Group was not always smooth. In 1998, due to the financial crisis in Southeast Asia, many enterprises went bankrupt, and the fledgling Jingye Group was facing a catastrophe. Upon deliberation, Li Ganpo cried out 3 slogans. We double our production value by working hard in 1998. We achieve the annual production value equaling to the total production value of the previous 10 years by working hard in 1998. And since there are always good opportunities amid crisis, the current economic crisis is also our development opportunity. Jingye started 10 projects that year by taking advantage of low prices, low interests, and efficient labor, and achieved the goal of doubling the annual production value. In 2002, the group started its steelmaking business. Although the financial gap was 20 million yuan, all Jingye people spared no efforts to support the steelmaking business to enable the group to enter the era of steel and iron at the first try. In 2008, due to the subprime crisis in the United States, many steel and iron enterprises had to stop production. The group took the initiative in carrying out the strategy of fighting against the crisis and developing Jingye. The group set up over 40 direct selling points nationwide, took the lead in direct selling, invested 520 million yuan in construction of the 1,600,000 ton rolled steel bar project. After the crisis, the strength of Jingye Group improved substantially again. Now, Jingye Group is the largest production base of hot-rolled rib bars in the world and a manufacturer model of reinforcing bars. The main products are hot-rolled ribbed bars, medium-thick plates, hot-rolled plates, and plain steel bars. The products have successfully obtained the ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 certifications. The certifications of classification societies in 5 countries, the CE certification and the boiler pressure vessel plate series certification. The hot-rolled ribbed bar products and medium-thick plate products of the group were certified in the Quality Inspection of Metallurgical Products by China Iron and Steel Industry Association, Gold Award. The group has been rated as an excellent supplier by many organizations such as China Railway Group Limited, Sino Hydro Corporation, China Road and Bridge Corporation, and China Construction Engineering Design. The products have been used in major projects such as Beijing Daxing International Airport, the Chinese Pavilion of World Expo, the South to North Water Diversion Project, and Shijiazhuang subway system. In order to actively respond to the national strategy of the Belt and Road, the President, Li Ganpo, looks far ahead and aims high. Jingye wants to be a global supplier of steel and metal products, and a global trader of small minerals and various energy products. The group has given play to the leading role of cadres, carried out export business boldly and resolutely, broken into markets in the Asia-Pacific region, the Middle East, the ASEAN countries, Africa, America, Europe, and Oceania, and set up branches and offices in 22 countries. The products are exported to 78 countries and regions. Due to all these achievements, the group has been rated a strong enterprise with A-class competitiveness, an excellent, trustworthy iron and steel exporter in China, one of the 100 top enterprises in Hebei in 2015, and an enterprise with doubled export value in the first half of 2016. Jingye Group has valued environmental protection as its life, invested over 3 billion yuan in environment protection, energy conservation, and emission reduction and circular economy, and firmly carried out the system of occupational death related to environmental accidents, and the idea that the enterprise must stop production if its environmental protection work doesn't meet the standards. All indexes meet the national discharge standards. The group has devoted great efforts to afforesting the factory area, and the green coverage reaches 50%. The group has been rated as an industrial tourist enterprise model of Hebei province. To enrich employees and give back to the society is the main goal of the group development. The President, Li Ganpo, puts forward that the group should enable employees to achieve 3 goals: affordable housing in the county, affordable college tuition fees for their children, and affordable medical costs. Therefore, the group has constantly raised employee salary standards and provided welfare services such as free physical examinations and travels. Meanwhile, the group has actively undertaken its social responsibility and invested over 5 million yuan in programs for public good, such as poverty alleviation, disaster relief, and construction of roads and schools. Produce quality steel products and develop non-steel business. Transformation and upgrading are the development direction of Jingye Group. In order to further improve the enterprise competitiveness, Jingye Group has introduced the globally high-grade, precision, and advanced techniques, the additive manufacturing technique, and the short process thin strip casting and rolling technique. High-end powder metallurgy, 3D printing, and the advanced thin strip casting and rolling technique have improved the technical content of Jingye. Meanwhile, the group makes great efforts to develop further processing of steel and gradually builds a steel structure, automobile modification, flange, pipe-making equipment park with annual output value of over 20 billion yuan. Jingye has spared no efforts to build the second residences for urban residents, developed and built the best waterfront villas, small Annashi town in North China, and the green residential eco-base Konglong town in North China. Created 2 high-quality drinking water brands, Zhehe and Konglong Ice Spring. Jingye has energetically developed pharmaceutical science and technology in Bohai New Area, built the largest salicylic acid and aspirin manufacturer with the most competitiveness in the world, actively developed non-steel business such as logistics, trade, finance and tourism, and expanded the global business. Jingye Group will create another Jingye in 3 years and realize the annual output value of 100 billion yuan. Under the leadership of the President, Li Ganpo, Jingye Group comprehensively promotes intellectualization, branding, internationalization, and reduced asset scale, builds a quality building steel base of China, a demonstration park of circular economy, a steel further processing base, and a high-tech industrial base, and strides forward towards the goal of becoming a global supplier of steel and metal products and a global trader of small minerals and various energy products.